loosen up a little bit?
Yeah, but getting a day off today.
Oh, cool. You work like insane amounts, didn't you? Last couple of days.
Yeah.
Alright, let's set it up here. Okay. Alright. So the side over here. Let's go. Take this up. Right there. Give your shoulder left to left. All right. Let's come up. Have a seat. Yeah. Swing the legs over this way here. So give yourself a big hug. Just like keep your head, make sure your chest goes before having it. Let yourself come back. All right. All good. So you're all